Hello everyone and welcome to another adventure. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Well, we're out in the USA and we're at the Red Rocks Canyon. Look at that, guys, absolutely stunning. Together with my guide Eddie from the Mountain Guides. We're gonna go on the Calico Hills Scramble this morning, and then we're gonna hit a climb after that. But yeah, let's go up and scramble my first USA route. Located just 30 minutes from the strip of Las Vegas, Calico Hills is a sandstone playground made for adventurers who love off-trail exploring, route finding and a bit of adrenaline. You'll need to bring grippy shoes, plenty of water, sun protection and a sense of direction. Cell signal can be spotty, so offline maps like all trails are highly recommended. The route started off with a straightforward hike, but that soon changed when we got to the pools, where I got my first taste of solid class-free scrambling.
We got one step here, there's good hands up.
Yeah. All good.
Are you someone who likes like tips in beta, or would you rather
Yeah, I'll go for beta.
go for beta? Okay.
Yeah.
If it's ever too much and you just want me to stop spraying, just
No, it'll be fine.
Cool.
It's well in my grade, so.
Yeah, totally.
Ooh, lovely.
Yes.
More water.
This is our like crux step of our approach.
Ooh.
If you stand up, there's like a sloper right here.
Oh God, don't tell me slopers.
This right foot is really good.
I hate slopers.
Yeah. There's your sloper. Yep. Nice. Right foot. There you go. So good.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hoorah.
Sporty. Some good hands up here.
Yeah. I must say, I was expecting it to be a lot flakier than, a lot
Like the rock.
flatter than it is.
Oh yeah, no, the rock's.
There's some good hands on this.
Yeah, the rock's solid. I mean, there's spots like, you know, like here it's really sandy.
Yeah.
But and like you can maybe not want to place behind that sort of thing, but for the most part, the rock's great. This little section is like our most exposed for this part. Down on the low section, there's some nice flat feet. So just try to stay upright and make really great choices for where your feet go.
That's always crucial.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Sick. Styling it.
Lovely. After the pools, we had a section of down climbing and a bit of bushwhacking. Until scrambling over some rocks led us in to the Black Corridor. Now this area is very well known for its various routes of sport climbing. But we didn't have time for that as we were heading for our climb.
Nice. And there's some good like holds here. These little patinas. Nice.
Lovely. Lovely.
Yeah, this is all still the Black Corridor. It's
The Black Corridor.
this is the upper level.
Corridor of Death.
Corridor of sport climbing. little holes, yeah, on the left wall are really good for. Don't do that.
I see the holes in your tool.
Yeah, you got that reach. Sick.
View back on the black corridor over there.
Yep.
Whoa. Oh, I can see we had some big chunks of rock come out of there before. Whew. Awesome. Look at that for a view.
Not too bad.
It's very similar to Capitol Reef, that rock.
Totally, yeah.
Stunning. What a view. After admiring the view, we carried on. There's no real strict line to take. There's a variety of lines you can take to get to the top. However, bear in mind, some can be harder than others, and some lines can lead you to an actual climb. And that's where this line actually is taking us to. Do not follow this unless you're going to the Great Red Book, which will be our next adventure. But instead of keeping right as we are, keep left and go around the back of the tower, which will take you to the top of the Scramble. So yeah, that was a pretty good taste of the Calico Hills Scramble. Like, we haven't gone all the way to the top as we're about to tackle a climb. So yeah, it is pretty straightforward. All nice class 2 to class 3 scrambling. So yeah, if you're in and around the area, definitely recommend doing that. Come check out the Red Rock Canyon. So if you like this adventure, guys, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. You want to see the channel grow, check out the hype button, which you'll find by swiping the comment box to the left. For now, thank you all for watching, guys, and I hope to catch you on the next one. See you later. The terrain here is wild. You're climbing, sliding, squeezing through cracks, and sometimes choosing between multiple routes. There's no single way up, and that is the beauty of it. And this is what makes Calico Hills so special. It's not just a trail, it's a natural jungle gym with insane views, geological history, and full-on adventure.